Developed from the Aston Martin DB4, the DB4 GT was conceived and built with international sports car racing firmly in its sights. DB4 GT prototype DP199 was raced in the spring of 1959, driven by the inimitable Stirling Moss in a BRDC GT race at Silverstone, and recording an outright victory for the new model. Between 1959 and 1961, just 75 DB4 GTs were produced, with many being owned and driven in sports car racing, including by the renowned Essex Wire Racing stable. The DB4 GT as presented, chassis 0139, was delivered new to its first Surrey-based owner and regularly maintained with the manufacturer's service department at Newport Pagnell before being released after 17 years of single ownership to Aston Martin enthusiast Ian Warrener of Powys in Wales, passing through 3 further owners before being sold into the USA in the early 1980s. Returning to the UK in 1989 to a Philip Cowan of St Andrews in Scotland, this car was purchased by the last owner in 2006 and entrusted to Aston Martin specialist engineers R S Williams Ltd for restoration. After completion in 2008, this car completed a tour of southern Spain and has subsequently been used on occasional outings in the UK. Featured in the authoritative Palawan Press published book, the Aston Martin DB4 GT, 0139 has principally been used from new as a road car with no notable competition use recorded, and is presented in its original build colour California sage, and the interior now trimmed in tan Connolly Vomol hides. Today, 0139 maintains its matching numbers of engine to chassis, and the engine now rebuilt by RSW during the restoration produces 365 brake horsepower and 385 pounds-foot of torque. Fitted with suitably uprated suspension and improved braking, the performance after restoration of 0139 is in all respects superb and a testament to the restorer's own engineering heritage. The history file accompanying 0139 includes a highly detailed multi-page period service history from Aston Martin's Newport Pagnell service facilities over the first custodian's ownership, a copy of the manufacturer's build record, a BMI Heritage Trust Certificate, an original DB4 GT brochure, maintenance invoices and correspondence, as well as a detailed account and photographic record of the restoration carried out by R S Williams, including an engine dyno sheet and detailed specifications. We're delighted to present this rare opportunity to acquire a cherished and restored example of the fabulous DB4 GT, spared the ravages of a life in motorsport, and previously restored by renowned experts, and in a superb condition as presented after covering just 5,000 miles since its restoration. Now available for viewing at our Hertfordshire showrooms.